Hello everyone, welcome to the another lecture of fraction class 6. Myself Sunil Singh. Today we are going to discuss exercise 5.8 part 2. Okay, because in part 1 we have discussed about question number up to question number 7 we have done, right? So now today we will see from question number 8. So in question number 8 there is given find 17 by 10 minus 3 by 2. So first of all, since you can see the denominator is what? Denominators are different, right? So since the denominator is different, so what we will do, we will find the LCM. Okay, so when you will find the LCM, you will get what? 10 as a LCM, right? So if we have got the 10 as an LCM, so we will see here 10 into 1 is what? 10, right? And 2 into 5 is what? 10, right? So we will multiply this one with this 17, right? And this 5 with this 3, right? As you can see here, I have done 1 into 17, 5 into 3. So 1 into 17 is what? 117, and 5 into 3 is what? 15, right? So when you will multiply this, when we will subtract this, you will get what? 2. So here we will get 2 by 10. So now what we will do, we will try to deduct this. When 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, right? So we will get here 1 by 5. So I hope you have understood this, right? Now next question. 2 3 by 2 1 by 3 and 1 2 by 3 means this is homework. Okay, as you can see, B C D F G and H is homework, right? As you can see, B C D F G and H are homework. So we will see number E. So in the number E, it is given here like this, as you can see. Okay, it is like this. Okay, so you see first 2 1 by 3 into 1 2 by 3. So first of all, what we will do, we will multiply this with this. After that, we will add this, multiply with this, and we will add this, right? So as you can see, 3 into 2 plus 1, 3 into 1 plus 2, 3 into 1 plus 1 by 3, and 3 into 1 plus 2 by 3, right? So what we will get, 3 to just 6 plus 1 7 by 3, and here also 3 into 1 plus 2, we will get 5 by 3. I hope you are understanding this, right? So since now you can see denominator is same, right? 3 and 3 both are same. So what we will do, we will find the, we will no need to find, if we will, and anyway we can find the LCM. So if we will find the LCM, it will be 3 only, because denominators are same. So what we can write, 3 as a denominator here. And since this denominator is same, so no need to do anything, just you have to write 7 minus 5, you will get 2 by 3 here, right? I hope you have understood this. Now question number 9. So it is little bit complicated, but it is you can find out very easily. First of all, read the question. What is given? Ravi gives 3 1 by 2 grapes to Sonu, okay, and 1 3 by 4 to Monu. So what we have to calculate, we have to calculate the total quantity of grapes distributed by Ravi. Okay, so as you can see, Ravi gave to Sonu is what? 3 1 by 2. So when we will solve this, 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2, we will get 7 by 2, right? Now next is how many he gave to Monu. He gave to Monu 3 1 3 by 4. So when we will multiply this, 4 into 1 plus 3 by 4, we will get what? 7 by 4, right? So now if we have to find the total quantity of the grapes distributed, it will be equal to the grapes given to Sonu, this one, and the grapes given to Mono, this one. We will add this two, just simply just add this two, we will get the total quantity of grapes, right? So as you can see, I have added this 7 by 2, 7 by 2 plus 7 by 4. Since 4 and 2, when you will find that LCM, it will be 4 only. So as you can see, when it is 4 means 2 into 2 is what? 4, right? And when it is 4, 4 into 1 is 4, right? So what we will do, we will multiply this 2 with the 7, okay, with the 7, and we will multiply this one with this, with this one with this 4 7, right? As you can see, 1 2 into 7, 1 into 7, so 2 into 7 is 14, 1 into 7 is 7 by 4, you will get what? 21 by 4. So when you will divide this, 21 divided by 4, we will get 4 5s are 20. Okay, you'll get what here 1. So how we will write this? We will write first this one 5 here, after that this one we will write here, and after that this one. Okay, always remember that we used to find write this, after that this, after that this, right? As you can see here 5 1 by. So I hope you have understood this, right? Now next is Raju got a part of pizza. Raju got the 1 by 7th part of the pizza from his father, while his brother Manoj got 2 by 7th part of the part, and his sister Tina got 3 by 7th of that part. Means there is one pizza, and in that pizza has been divided into 1 by 7th to Raju, then 2 by 7th to Manoj, and 3 by 7 to Tina, right? So what fraction of means what we can say, what fraction of pizza is left, means after they three have, after distributing three of them, what part of pizza is left? So simple, how many pizza is there? One pizza, means one pizza minus 1 by 7 plus 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7, right? As you can see, Raju got part of pizza how much? 1 by 7. Manoj got pizza how much? 2 by 7. Tina got how much? 3 by 7, right? So fraction of pizza left is what? 1 minus 1 by 7. But first of all, we will add this 3 and we will just subtract with this 1. So when you will add this 3, we will get 6 by 7 right here. And we will, when you will subtract this, you will get here 1 by 7. Means 1 by 7th of the part of the pizza is left, right? Now next is 11th number. We have to subtract 3 1 by 4 from 4 1 by 3. Means what? Always remember that when it is written from, right? So it is not like this that we have to subtract this from this. It is not like this. Suppose we have got, when we have converted into this into a simple fraction, we have got here 13 by 14 and 13 by 4 and 14 by 3, right? So it doesn't means if it is from is written, you always remember that from is written means 14 by 3 minus 13 by 4. Okay, it is not like this that 13 by 4 minus 14 by 3. It is not like that. This is wrong, right? This is the right, as you can see here. 14 by 3 minus 13 by 4. So when you will find out the LCM, you will get 12. After that, when you will solve like this, the same thing which we have done previously, we will get 17 by 1, 15 by 1, 5 by 12, right? I hope you have understood this, right? Now next is question number 12. In question number 12, it is written a piece of wire which is 14 by 15 meter long broke into two parts. Means there is a piece of wire like this whose length is 14 by 15 meter, and it has been broke into two parts. One part is this, another part is this, right? And one piece was 1 by 3 meter long. Suppose this piece was 1 by 3 meter long, so we have to find out what is the, how much long the other piece is. Means this part we have to find out, right? So how we can write? A piece of wire is 14 by 15 meters. It broke into two parts, right? One part is this, other part we have to find out. So other part is what? Just we have to subtract this from this, we will get the other part. As you can see, I have done here, right? So since there is 15 and 3, we have to find out the LCM. We will find out the LCM here, and after that the process is same as you can see here, right? So other part is 3 by 5 meter. So I hope you have understood this, right? Now next is question number 13. The weight of Hina's book is 4 by 7 kg. Means the weight of Hina's book is what? 4 by 7 kg. Okay. Now next is, and that of Nidhi's is 14 by 11 by 14 kg. As you can see, 11 by 14 kg. So what is the total weight of the book? We have to add this two. Very simple, right? So when you will add this two, how we can add? As you can see here, so you have to find out the LCM of 7 and 14. It will be 14, and the rest process is same as you can see here, right? I hope you are understanding this, right? And this process is same because we have so many times we have discussed this, right? This process. Now next question is question number 14. Rohan spent 1 by 4 hours doing mathematics. Okay, so Rohan spent doing mathematics and science homework is what? 1 by 4 hour. Okay, so this part is rough work. Okay, rough work, as you can see, rough work is written here, right? So Rohan spent 1 by 4 hours doing mathematics and science homework. Okay, now next is 1 by 2 an hour reading Hindi book. He spent reading Hindi book is 1 by 2 hour. So we have to find how much time did he spend studying in all. So for this, just we have to add this to nothing. We have to do nothing. We have to add this and this. So when we will add this, we'll get like this. Okay, 5 by 4 and 1 by 2. So again, when you will do this, you will get 1 by 4. Okay, so I hope you have understood this, how we have to do this. This simple is same as that one, right, in the previous one which we have done. Now question number 15 is what? From a piece of 3 by 4 meter long ribbon to, suppose this is a piece of ribbon, and from this piece of ribbon, its length is suppose 10 3 by 4 meter. Okay, now 2 4 by 5 meter is cut from here, from this to, suppose this is, this much length is 2 4 by 5, so this much length is cut. Okay, so we have to find out the length of the remaining, means what, this one, this, what is the length of this, we have to find out. So what we have to do, you have to subtract this and this, you will get this. As you can see, for 10 3 by 4, what we can see, what we can write, 10 into 4 is 40 plus 3 45, 43 by 4, as you can see here. And for 2 4 by 5, what we can write, 5 to the 10 plus 4 14, 14 by 5, right? So now when we, the length of the remaining ribbon is 43 by 4 minus 14 by 5. So when we will see this, when it is written LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Okay, 20 here, and when you will do this, you can do like this, right? This versus, you know, right, how we have to do. So answer will be 7 19 by 20. Now next is question number 16. Geeta bought 1 by 3 kg of potato. As you can see, Geeta bought potato is 1 by 3, onion 1 by 4 kg of onion. We bought onion is 1 by 4 kg of onion, and 1 by half kg of tomato. See what tomato is 1 and half kg. So when you will solve this, it will be 2 into 3 is 3 to just 6, 6 plus 1 is was 7, 7 by 2 kg. Here 4 to 8 plus 1, 9 by 4 kg. Here 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 kg, right? So after that, what we have, what they have asked, they have to find out, we have to find out the total weight of the vegetable purchased by Geeta. So what we have to do, we have to add this, this and this. As you can see, I have done here. Since denominator is not same, so we will find the LCM. LCM we will get 4 here. So for this we will get 2 into 7, here 1 into 9, here 2 into 3, 14 plus 9 plus 6. So it will be 29 by 4, right? So when you will divide this, 29 divided by 4, how we will get, 4 7s are 28, right? 4 7s are 28. We will get 1 here. So how we have to write, we have to write which one first, this one first, after that this one is, after that this one is first, this one is second, this one is third. So how we will write, first is 7, okay, second is what, 1 and the third one is 4. 7 1 by 4 kg. I hope you have understood this, right? As you can see here. Now next is, Sarika's house is 5 2 by 3 kilometer from her college. She covers 1 by 2 kg 2 kilometer by metro train and the remaining by rickshaw. How much distance does she cover by rickshaw? Means suppose this is her school, so this is her college, and this is her home. Okay, home. So between this, Sarika is 1 by 2 kilometer from his college. Means the total length of this length is from his college to house is what, 5 2 by 3, right, kilometer. So what did she did, she covers 1 by 2 kilometer by metro. Suppose this much length is, so this much length is this much length, he, suppose this length is what, 1 by 2 kilometer. Okay, 1 by 2 kilometer. So he traveled this much distance by what, metro. Okay, and the rest remaining this distance he covered by rickshaw. Okay, so what is the distance he covered by rickshaw? This one, this distance you have to find out. So what we have to do, we have to divide we have to subtract this one from this one, we will get this, right? So let me see here. there we can see here distance of Sarika's house from college is what? 5, 2 by 3 kilometers. So when you will solve this, it will be 5 into 3 is 5 3 is a 15 plus 2 is what? 17, 17 by 3 kilometer. Okay. Now next is distance she covered by metro train is what? 4 1 by 2 kilometers. So it will be 4 to the 8 plus 1 9 by 2 kilometer. The next distance covered by rickshaw is what? This one minus this one. You will get this, right? As you can see here, as again denominator are not same, so we have to find out the LCM, and after that the process is same, as you can see here, right? Sorry. So we will get here 7 by 6. So again when you will divide this, 7 divided by 6, 6 ones are 6, you will get 1. So which one will be 1? This one will be 1, this one will be 2, this one will be 3. So how we will write 1 1 by 1 by 6 kilometer. So I hope you have understood this, right? Now next is what? 18. The perimeter of a triangle is 15 1 by 4 meter, 15 1 by 7 meter. As you can see, perimeter of the triangle is 15 1 by 7 meter. Okay. Now if the sum of the two sides is 9 1 by 14 meter, if sum of the two sides is 9 1 by 14 meter, we have to find out the third side. Okay. So how we can find? As you know, in a triangle, perimeter is what? Sum of all sides. Okay. This one plus this one plus this one will be a perimeter. Okay. So that suppose this one side, let me do it clearly here. Suppose this is a triangle here. Okay. And it has been told here the perimeter of the triangle is 15 1 by 5 1 by 15 1 by 7 meter. Perimeter is what? Length of sum of all sides, means to perimeter will be what? Sum of all side. Okay. All side means this side plus this side plus this side is perimeter. So it is given, total perimeter is given 15 1 by 7 meter. Okay. Now again next is if the sum of two sides, means suppose the sum of this and this is been given. Suppose the sum of this two, this side and this side, sum is given what? 9 1 by 14 meter. Okay. So we have to find out the third side, this side we have to find out. I hope you have understood this, right? Perimeter is what? Sum of all sides. Okay. This side plus this side plus this side is what? Perimeter. Okay. So now next is sum of the two sides is given. Suppose this side and this side is given, or this side is given. Okay. If we are, suppose this side and this side is given, we have to find out the this side, right? So as you can see, perimeter of triangle is what? 15 1 by 7 meter. Sum of two sides is 9 1 by 14 meter. So when you will solve this, 15 into 7 plus 1, we will get 106 by 7 meter. And we will solve for 9 1 by 14, we will get here 127 by 14. So now length of third side will be what? This one minus this one. Okay. As you can see, when we will subtract this one minus this one, you will get this, right? This one you will get here 6 1 by 14 meter. So this is the answer. I hope you have understood this, right? So keep up to this. In the next lecture we will discuss exercise 5.9. till that, whatever the homework we have given here, this one, you do the homework and send it in a mathematics group. Okay. Till that, thank you.